welcome back to my channel, Ali Crash Pursuits. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video. It's been a little crazy, a little hectic. Nothing bad, just with work and everything. And some stuff going on with the family, but I won't get into that because that's not what this video is about. So today I got BellaArtdeNichole trays. Got it right here, and I'll be unboxing it today. So if you like this video, please consider to hit the like button, subscribe, and share out this video, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload my next video. So here we go. How is everyone doing today? How was everyone's Easter? Do you spend time with family? Do you spend time with friends and family? Do you go out with someone? Let me know what you did. Or if you didn't do anything, that's fine. Hang out at home. Wasn't really planning anything. Okay. So I got the, forgot what the color was, but it was blue. So I had to get it. If you've been following my channel, you know I love blue. I even got I got a blue butterfly. So cute. Ooh. Cute. And now this is a sticker. Peels off. See, right there. Ooh. Right there. Peels off. I got their business card, BellaArtdeNichole, Jamie and Nicole, a website, their sales are their email. And then you turn it over, and then it's the code. And for the YouTube channel, so if you want to scan that, if you have an iPhone, you can go directly to their YouTube. And if you're not subscribed, you can subscribe to them and watch their videos and all that stuff. Alright, so here's one of them. It's got their butterfly. I think this is the regular size. It's got their grooves. I think they said that they made these taller or like more narrow or something like that. I don't remember them from the ones that they had previously. So it's a very nice material. I think it's a different material too. So if you want to close it, there's a groove right there. And all you gotta do is line it up, and it closes. And then this is a stopper. You can put it in there, and it stops the drills from spilling when you're shaking. And then I got the 3 divider. It's also got a butterfly. It's got 3 dividers. You can also take these out, make it a large tray or like half a tray. You have 2. And it's got grooves. You just put them back on the tray. As you can see, there's these things here for them. So you can put them back. You can use it however you would like. Yeah, I think these are much better. Like, they're more sturdier, I guess. And again, same thing with a groove. Turn it this way. And it's a groove. And you just line it up. And you slide. It's got the stopper. Sometimes it's hard to put back in. And there you have it. So yeah, forgot the name of it, but it's very pretty. Here's the back. The trays. So yeah, so cute. Also, it kind of matches with the butterfly on the card. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and talk to y'all later. Bye.